Hello guys, how's it going? AlexTheGrumpyOne here. I hope you're well today. I got the MX5 in. I'm going to be doing a video on the headlight polishing and restoration today. I got all the products that I'm going to need for that. They're going to show you in a second. So if that is something you're interested in, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and also comment below to let me know if you enjoyed the video, find it helpful, or if you got any future suggestions. Right, so first you can either wash the car or just use something to clean the headlights and make sure you get rid of all the imperfections that you got on it. So that's what I'm doing now. Just clean everything off. There's no dead flies or anything like that, or little stones. So that's looking good. And like I said, we obviously have to keep it wet as well with our wet polisher when we're working on it. Right, also before you start polishing, as you can see, I moved the car. You need to have the car in the shade because you don't want the direct sun on it as well. So what we're going to do is mask it up, like I said, so we don't damage the bodywork while we're doing it. So just going to mask it up quickly. Now we're ready to get some wet polish on it. Right, so that'll keep it wet. Also, like I said, we're going to get a bit on the pad, just a little bit there. And now we're ready to apply our product that we got today to obviously polish the headlights. Just give it a quick shake. That should be enough for now. Probably have to do it a couple of times. So just going to spread it on the headlight. Right, now that we've covered everything, we can start polishing. I'm going to leave it on the speed 1. Right, so as you can see, it's already getting a lot better. What I was going to say, guys, I'm going to use obviously the handle now just to make it easier. I wanted to try it without the handle to see if it makes a lot of difference because it is a light gun. But obviously now I got the handle on. When we're doing this, I would just advise you, make sure you try and keep a steady straight line or go up and down, obviously depending on what's the best way for you, and don't stay too long in one place because it will start overheating. So we're done the first coat. I'm going to do the second one, and then we're going to clean it all off and check the results. There you go, guys. The handle obviously makes a lot of difference. It does help you a lot as well with that. So we're done now. All we're going to do is wipe it all off now. So we've got the cloth there. There we are, and that is looking awesome. So that is definitely a massive improvement to our headlight. Right, so here we are. We got pretty much brand new headlight here. Obviously, if you compare it to the other one, as you can see, massive difference. It's also going to improve our headlight aim as well because that was quite bad. So like I said, guys, this is not only for the MX5. Obviously, it works on many different cars that had the headlight going yellowish or whatever, deteriorating. So as you can see, it works very well. The products are brilliant and they're very affordable as well. I'm going to put all of them today in the description below so you can check out. Like I said, the Draper gun is awesome. Good quality, good battery life. It feels very good in your hand, and you've got a little handle there also to help you with the headlights, or if you're doing the body work as well. So like I said, I think this is a very good kit. I know there's many different ways of polishing the headlights, but I've tried this one and I do love it. It makes the job so much easier, and also having this special stuff, it protects the headlight for afterwards as well. So yeah, like I said, all the links are going to be in the description below. Comment below, guys, let me know what you think about the video, if you find it helpful, or if you got any more questions. Don't forget to give us a like as well and subscribe, and you can also share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching it today, and have a good day. Bye.